Time to take you over to the city. Sky's Ian King is lying in wait there. Very good afternoon to you, Ian. Now, I noticed you had the Rio Tinto boss on your programme last night. Another big mining giant reporting figures today, Anglo-American, and they have a big share in the diamond company De Beers. And I understand that you've got someone to talk to about just that.
That's right, Anna. Yes, joining me here in the studio is Philippe Mellier. He's chief executive of the De Beers Group, and he joins me now. So you've had a pretty good year on the whole, with demand up and prices up.
Yeah, we had a good set of results today. Production up 5%, sales revenue up by 11% to more than $7 billion, and operating profit up 36% to $1.4 billion. So pretty good set of results, yes.
So where's demand been strongest in the last 12 months?
As always, I would say in the US, which is the biggest market for diamond jewelry. It's around 42% of the world market. Very solid year. We don't have the final numbers, obviously, for 14, but we believe that the market grew by maybe 5 to 6%. Christmas was maybe a little bit softer than what we would have expected, but all in all, a very good year. Second market being China, around 15% of the world market, and we hope that the Chinese New Year, just a few days from now, will be a good one. But all in all, 2014, the market for diamond jewelry grew around 4% versus slightly more than 3% the year before. So quite a good increase, and we expect 15 to be another reasonable year with an increase of around maybe 4%. So it's quite sustainable, and we see some good progress to come.
Presumably the fact that the oil price is falling, I mean, that puts more money in the pockets of a lot of your key customers, the Chinese and Indians, who of course are big oil importers.
Yes, and even in the US, because if you look at the price of the gallon, which went down by close to 40%, you have more disposable income, which we hope will be reinvested in diamonds later. And also for our cost, it's quite interesting, because we use a lot of fuel in our vessel on our trucks, and the cost of fuel going down, our cost base is going to go down also. On the other hand, the dollar has been strengthening, which is also causing a little bit of a concern. But I think all in all, it's a plus for us.
Right, now, you've warned in the recent past that diamonds really need to fight to retain their share of spending in the luxury market. I mean, obviously, luxury is a vastly expanding category, but how are you doing that?
De Beers, the company, was not there, created the diamond world 126 years ago, and has been always pushing to create demand. We still do that. Last year, between Forevermark, De Beers, and all the initiatives we took, we spent $130 million in marketing, which is a very, very big amount. And I'm also pushing very strongly our partners, the jewelers, the site holders, to invest in brown, so that all together, as a team, as a group, we push the diamond category in the luxury world. I think with a pretty good success. If we look at Christmas shopping, for example, and in luxury world, we don't have the final numbers still, but it seems that diamond jewelry did better than other luxury categories. So it's a good win for us.
Right. Now, you published a report late last year in which you said that unless new discoveries are made and investment in those discoveries ramped up, then post-2020 there is going to be a shortage of diamonds. Supply is not going to necessarily keep up with demand.
Exactly. This is why we are investing massively in to improve the existing mine or establish new mines. You know, we invested 700 million last year. We will invest 850 million in 2015 to go to sustain the current mines and develop new ones. In the next few years, we will invest $3 billion in 3 projects, one to expand the biggest mine in Botswana, the other one to go underground in our biggest mine in South Africa, and the rest will be spent on a new mine in Canada, Gachokwe, the name of the mine, to be opened by the end of 2016, and it's the biggest diamond project in the world for the time being, which is going to give us an output of 5 million carat per year. So, which is pretty good, but you're right. After 2019, the output is going to come down.
Okay, so hold on to your diamonds if you have them. Yeah.
Exactly, the best friends.
Okay, Philippe Mellier, thank you very much for joining us. There you have it, Anna. That's all the latest from the diamond world this lunchtime. Who knows, it's St. Valentine's Day tomorrow. Maybe a few of the viewers might be getting one.